Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to create a Facebook account in computer. So let's get started. So since I'm already logged into my Facebook account, I will show you guys in incognito. Alright, first head over to the Facebook website. Once you are here, click on Create New Account. Then from here, you're just going to fill these out. Starting with the first name. I'm not going to use my actual name, of course. This is just going to be an example. Then the last name. Next is the mobile number or email. So you can use either your mobile number here or your email. Then you're going to re-enter your email address or your mobile number. So let's just go ahead and copy this and then just paste it here. Then we have the password, so you're going to enter your password here. After that, you're going to set your birthday, so I'm just going to put a random birth date here. Lastly, we have gender, so there's female, male, and custom as well. If you select custom, you can change your pronouns here and whatnot. So yeah. Once you are done, all you have to do is hit sign up, and then it'll ask you to enter a verification code that will be sent to your email or mobile number. After that, you're all good to go. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider dropping a like and subscribing to the channel.